Hi everybody, welcome to your Friday test video. Sorry again about Google Meets, total disaster. I'm not sure why it's not working. We've tried lots of solutions this week. We even put a new Wi-Fi box in our classroom, but no better than last week. So we'll just do our tests on video from now on. I think it'll be better for everybody, easier for everybody. But I'm sorry I won't be able to see you all. It's nice to see you and have a wee chat and a bit of crack, but hopefully you're all keeping in touch with each other anyway in the meantime. Well done for your 3D maps this week. Totally blown away by your 3D maps. They're absolutely brilliant. I've never had a project where the quality of the work has been so fantastic. It really is awesome. And I've been showing the other teachers in the school as well, not just the P6 teachers, and they've been very, very impressed. So well done, everybody. Lots of really creative ideas about how to do it. So that's brilliant. Hopefully, most of you are having fun on the Viking Minecraft. I know a couple of you are having problems logging on. Most people seem to be fine and sorted out now. Again, I would just refer you to the P6 website to work through those steps. And if they're not working, do let me know, and I'll speak to Mr. McDowell and try and sort something out for you. But it's a difficult one if it's to do with something on your computer or device at home. That's difficult for us to fix, but we'll try our best from our end and make sure everything's working there and hopefully get you going on that. But as I say, most people are on it and you seem to be enjoying it and having a good time doing the Viking tasks and learning more about Vikings. Well done with your Viking literacy again this week as well. Loads of really good research done, and hopefully you're learning a lot about the Vikings and enjoying that. We've also got some other fun tasks up there for you if you want. Those are totally optional, you don't have to do them. There's the Rubik's Cube challenge, which I'm going to try and do. I've started to learn it already, so I'm going to try and get faster than Mr. McDowell once I learn how to do it, if possible. And also then there's a few other different challenges and quizzes you'll see up there, as well as your daily PE task as well, so you can have a go at the PE, especially if the weather's good outside. Try and get out and get some fresh air in your lungs. You're all working very, very hard at your maths and English, and I really appreciate that, but I do know that it's quite difficult to get all your work done. And just like in class, I wouldn't expect everyone to get all of the work done every day. What's important is the quality of the work that you do get done. Now in class, we'd normally spend about an hour and a half on our maths and an hour and a half on our literacy, and that would include me teaching you, us doing some practice together, and then you doing your individual work. So you should be spending really no more than an hour and a half on your maths and no more than an hour and a half on your literacy each day. Okay, don't spend ages and ages to try and get it done. Set yourself a time limit, work really hard and focus and concentrate for that time. And whatever you've got done at the end, submit that. You're making sure that if you're not getting it done, what you do, as always, is your best work. Okay, so oh yes, also on that, make sure that you're watching the teaching videos each day, and you can pause and rewind those and go over them again, just for any wee bits that you weren't sure of or that you wanted to see or do again. Okay, they're there for you, forever really, so you can just watch them as much as you need to, but do focus on them at the start of your lesson to make sure that you're getting all those key teaching points as far as possible before you start your work. Now, on to the Friday test. Your tables are on your classroom for you as a little quiz, same as last week. So I'm just going to go through your spellings now, and I'll say each one twice. Again, you can pause or rewind for any that you missed. Number 1, funny. Funny. Lots of your Friday jokes last week were funny. Number 2, nice. Nice. Number 3, there. It belongs to them. This is their classroom. That's their football. It belongs to them there. Number 4, state. State. Our classroom is usually in a pretty messy state after we do art. Or Texas is a state in America. State. Number 5, create. Create. Lots of you were able to create amazing Viking maps. Create. Number 6 is there, short for they are. There, short for they are. They are going to the park later on. Number 7, large. Very big or huge or massive is large. Number 8, kind. Be kind to people. Be kind to each other. Kind. Number 9, there. It's over there. There's your book. There is the art you did from our Northern Ireland topic on the back wall. There. Number 10, skate. Some of you might like to ice skate or roller skate or maybe skateboard. Skate. Number 11, estimate. In P6 we've been learning how to estimate answers when they're not exact. Give our best estimate. Number 12, celebrate. You might celebrate your birthday or something in particular that happens in the year like Christmas or something else. Celebrate. Number 13, deliberate. Deliberate. If it's deliberate, it's on purpose. Deliberate. It can also mean to spend a long time thinking or discussing something, to deliberate about it. Number 14 is imitate. To copy or mimic something. A mimic octopus imitates its surroundings. Imitate. Imitate. Number 15 is rotate. To turn something round on the spot. My desk chair rotates. It goes round on the spot. Rotate. Number 16, concentrate. To focus on something. To concentrate on it. Number 17, separate. To put two things apart is to separate them. Separate. Number 18, immediate. Right now, instantly. Immediate. Number 19, demonstrate. To show somebody how to do something is to demonstrate it for them. And number 20, cultivate. If you look after and grow plants or vegetables and then you harvest them, you're cultivating them. Cultivate. Okay guys, so there'll be a wee assignment posted up on the classroom where you can take a snap of your answers to the Friday test and upload them, and I'll mark it for you. Good luck.